Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Now, what Dossier's mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full-size 50 milliliter bottle. Don't like the sample? Just return the package with the 50 milliliter bottle. You will get a full refund. Returns are free and no questions are asked. I love Dossier. I have a few of their perfumes and they are great. I love them for myself, and I also love them for friends and family members. They're great to give as gifts as well. They smell amazing, and also the design of them is really cool because they have a magnetic top. So you'll never lose your tops because they are magnetic. So today's perfume is going to be the Green Verbena. Top notes of verbena, green leaves, peppermint, middle notes of orris, violet leaves, aquatic accord, base notes of sandalwood, gray, amber, and patchouli. This fragrance, Green Verbena, is inspired by Creed Green Irish Tweed Eau de Parfum. Check out the website. The link for everything will be in the description box. Also, a coupon code for you guys to try. I highly recommend these perfumes. Myself, my husband, my mom, and my dad all use these perfumes. They smell amazing. They last all day, and I can't say enough great things about them. So be sure to check them out now. All right, guys, so on to the video.